Howie? Billy, what's going on? Oh, I get it. Howie wants to play, but Billy wants to work. Now they both seem a bit angry. But staying angry isn't good for you. I know. Let's do yoga to help ourselves feel normal.
Yay!
Let's start by saying our special yoga word, namaste. Let's do a big clap. Clap. Namaste. Now in life, sometimes things don't always go our way. And sometimes we just want to roar like a big lion. And when we roar like a lion, sometimes we feel less angry. So let's sit on our knees, nice and wide. Now let's take our lion paws and plop them in front. Yup! Now when I say roar, we're going to take a deep breath in through our nose. Then we're going to stick out our tongues and roar like a lion, like this.
Roar!
Ooh, you guys seem to be feeling a little bit better. Now let's stand back up and reach for the sky, up, 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 all the way up. Now let's bend over and try to touch our toes. Hello, toes. Now let's shake out our heads. Shake, 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 shake. And let's shake out all of our anger. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, nice work. Now let's reach all the way back up for the sky. And now let's lay down on our bellies. You know, crocodiles are super calm and strong. Let's be strong and calm like crocodiles in crocodile pose. Let's take our hands and plop them on the mat. Now, let's lift ourselves up all the way into crocodile pose like this. Rah! Ooh. And we want to be nice and flat crocodiles. We don't want to have our bottoms up in the air. Nice and flat. Ooh, this is challenging. Good job. Let's hold it for 3, 2, 1, and lower back down. Now let's sit back up.
Wow!
Great job. Today, we roar down our anger with lion's breath. Then, we shook down our anger by touching our toes. Then we got calm and strong like a crocodile in crocodile pose. So, are you guys feeling any better?
Yes!
Yay! Perfect! Now, let's finish by saying our special yoga word. Big clap! Clap! Namaste. I know. Howie, how about we dance for a couple minutes? And then we get to work, Billy. All right. I'm Yogi Molly. We'll see you later.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingo Kids app.
That was fun!